Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-step verification on Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner or a sidebar menu. From there, you'll want to select the Security tab. This section is where you manage all your account safety features. Next, you'll choose your preferred two-step verification method. Coinbase typically offers options like using an authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. While SMS is convenient, authenticator apps, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, generally provide a higher level of security. We recommend using an authenticator app for the best protection against unauthorized access. If you choose an authenticator app, first download one to your mobile device. Then, on the Coinbase security page, you'll see a QR code. Open your Authenticator app and scan this code. The app will then generate a 6-digit, time-sensitive code. Enter this code into the designated field on the Coinbase website to link your account. Finally, double-check that the 6-digit code you entered is correct and then confirm your settings. Coinbase will then activate two-step verification for your account. It's crucial to save any provided recovery codes in a very secure, offline location. These codes are essential for regaining access if you ever lose your authenticator device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.